Welcome to Asim Academy. In this video, we will learn how to use Python Fire. Python Fire is a library for automatically generating command line interfaces from absolutely any Python object. So to first we need to install a Python Fire. We can use a pip3 command on our terminal. We can use pip3 install fire and just hit enter. We have successfully installed Fire. Now we can use it in our code. I will just clear the terminal and we can import Fire, import Fire, and here we are going to see an example of calling Fire on a function. So I will define a hello function and set name's default value to word, and we are going to return the message hello, and name. By default it will print hello world unless we provide the argument on command line. And here we are going to add a main if name equal to main. We are going to call fire fire and pass in our function hello, so it can be called from a command line. We are just gonna save it and run our code. It should not come between double quotes. It should be up to here. So first we are going to run it without any arguments. And we get the hello world message printed because we set the name value to default value to word. So over here we get hello world printed. And now I'm going to pass in the name value Asim and hit enter. And we get this hello Asim message. And we can also use help to get the help for our program and just hit enter. Help shows the usage information. You can see over here. Now we are going to see an example of calling fire on a class. I already imported fire, and here I'm going to create a class simple calc for calculator, and it takes an object, and inside I'm going to define a function double, which will double the value or multiply with 2. So this would be self and the number, and here we are going to return a 2 multiply with number, and add our main. And now we are going to call fire and pass in our class. This will be simple calculator. And now we can run our program. Now we can run our script on a command line and pass in the function name and the value such as 10, and we get the result back as 20. And now I'm going to pass in the numbers of value, and this can be done by adding a number argument. So after the function name I will add number and set its value to 50 and just hit enter, and we get the 100 back. Please subscribe to my channel Asim Academy, like my video, and thank you for watching.